Greetings, cosmic explorers. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey as we unravel the secrets of the recently discovered Gaia BH3, the most massive known stellar black hole in the Milky Way galaxy. From its mysterious origins to its cosmic significance, we're diving deep into the heart of this celestial marvel. Nestled within the Aquila constellation, approximately 1,926 light-years away from Earth, lies Gaia BH3, a sleeping giant with a mass nearly 33 times that of our Sun. Discovered by astronomers while analyzing data from the European Space Agency's Gaia Space Telescope, this cosmic behemoth has left scientists awe-struck with its sheer magnitude. But what sets Gaia BH3 apart from its stellar siblings? Unlike its more common counterparts, Gaia BH3 is a true heavyweight in the black hole arena. While stellar black holes observed across the Milky Way typically clock in at around 10 times the mass of our Sun, Gaia BH3 defies expectations with its exceptional size and mass. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of black hole formation. Stellar black holes, like Gaia BH3, arise from the explosive deaths of massive stars. As these colossal stellar remnants collapse under their own gravity, they give birth to black holes, a cosmic phenomenon that challenges our understanding of space, time, and the very fabric of the universe. But what makes Gaia BH3 truly remarkable is its intimate cosmic dance with a metal-poor companion star. Through meticulous observations using ground-based telescopes like the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, astronomers have uncovered tantalizing clues about Gaia BH3's origins and evolution. Surprisingly, the metal-poor composition of Gaia BH3's companion star hints at a cosmic tale of galactic mergers and ancient stellar populations. It's a story that stretches back billions of years to the early epochs of our universe, where stars formed from primordial gases and cosmic collisions shaped the fabric of our galaxy. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of Gaia BH3 and its cosmic counterparts, one thing remains abundantly clear: the universe is a vast and wondrous playground of discovery, where each celestial revelation brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Explore the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more cosmic adventures.